Take the correct alternatives. The people who walk on pavement are called guest, visitor, pedestrian, none of these. The people who walk on pavement are called option number C, pedestrian. Yellow light signals means stop, move, ready to stop or move, or none of these. Option number C, ready to stop or move. Whether this statement is true or false. If you walk on pavement, you are safe. It's true. The best way to avoid accident is to ignore the traffic rule. It is false. You can be punished if you cross the road when the light is green. It is false. Always overtake vehicle from their left. It's false. While crossing the road, you should cross at an angle. False. Banana skin pieces or broken glasses or blades on the road can cause injury. It's true. Read the following information carefully. Now, complete the sentences by using word used in code above. Single dash means a single life line of people, one behind the others. Single file means a single line of people. Single file means a single line of people, one behind the other, एक एक पीछे एक एक खड़े होना. Any cart, car or lorry is called vehicle. Vehicle coming and going are called traffic. Cyclists should never ride more than one abreast. The rear light must never be obscured. When the roads are busy, ride in a single file. An instrument for reflecting light is reflector. Choose the appropriate word from the back bracket and fill in the blanks. A tiger has long black dash on its body. A tiger has long black strips on his body. STRIPS. Don't dash him, he is studying. Don't disturb him, DISTURB. Disturb him, he is studying. She is giving a party on the dash of her birthday, on the occasion of her birthday. Arun has met with an dash, he is in hospital. Arun has met with an accident, he is in hospital. In a small village, there is not much dash on the road. There is not much traffic on the road. Fill in the blanks with suitable words. जो कि ब्रैकेट में है. What dash was given to the boy who stole the bicycle? What punish का क्या होगा? Punishment. 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 We should drive slowly on the dash road. Crowd का क्या होगा? Crowded. 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 He is a well dash person. Educate का क्या होगा? Educated. EDUCATED. I can't buy it because its price not reason का reasonable. REASNOABLE. Reasonable. Shakshi made this mistake because of her ignore का क्या होगा? Ignorance. IGNORANC. Ignorance. Which one word of the following group of a word? A strong covering made of plastic or a metal to protect the head of motorcycle rider. It is called helmet. A person traveling on footpath is called pedestrian. Any of the set colored light used for controlling and directing traffic is traffic light. Black and white stripped area on the road used by people to cross the road is zebra. Zebra crossing. Okay, next. Okay, you have to write the opposite word. Always be punctual. इसका opposite क्या होगा? Always be late. Queue on a pavement in a proper manner away from the road. इसका opposite क्या होगा? Run on the road while you see bus and try to board in hurry. Do not rush or rush to the door to get into the bus. Push everybody around you to get in first. Speak to the driver only when he is not driving or in emergency. Chat with driver throughout the journey to bus time. And wait until the vehicle has completely stopped before alighting. Opposite, jump off the vehicle before it stops completely. Allow the bus to move off before crossing the road. Opposite, insist on crossing the road before the bus has moved away from stop. Do not stick your hand or head out of the window while traveling. Wave that to your friend. Wave out to your friend in a moving bus. Stick out your head and feel the wind. If the vehicle breakdowns or is involved in an accident, follow instruction given by a driver or a teacher in charge. इसका opposite क्या होगा? In case of emergency, do not follow instruction. If you find a suspicious object in a bus, immediately bring it to attention to the teacher in charge of or a driver. Don't be alert if you see a suspicious object in the vehicle. Mind your own business. You can stop unfortunate accident from happening. इसका opposite क्या है? You are too young to do anything about the accident. Okay, which part of the bike should a cyclist keep especially clean? The rear light and reflector. Which is the greatest number you may ride on a bike? Total 2%. What should the cyclist never do when the traffic is held up? The cyclist should never take up risk along the narrow space between the vehicle. Should you ever hold on a moving lorry? No, we should never hold on a moving lorry. Why should you never ride close behind a fast moving lorry? It may slow down or stop suddenly. Now, seen passages, unseen passages. Passage number one. Road in big cities are very busy. They are crowded with all kinds of vehicles like buses, trucks, cars, three vehicles, motorcycle, scooter, bicycle, etc. Slow moving bullock carts, horses, carriage, etc. can also be seen there. Walking or driving on such road is always very risky. People in a hurry ignore the rules of road and causes accident. A lot of people die or get injured in such accident every day. The best way to avoid accident is to obey the rules on the road. Choose the correct answer. What happens when people ignore the rules of the road? They become very happy, they cause accident, they feel proud of doing so. They can cross the road safely. What happens when people ignore the rules? Option number B, they causes accident. Which is a slow moving vehicle? Car, motorcycle, bullock cart, yeah, truck. It is option number C, bullock cart. Where are the roads very busy? Roads in big cities are very busy. Name some vehicle running on the road. Bus, truck, three-wheeler, motorcycle, scooters. Where it is risky to walk or drive. It is risky to drive or walk on the crowded roads in big cities. Why do people cause accident? People in a hurry ignore the rules of the road and causes accident. How can we avoid accident? By obeying the rules on the road, we can avoid accidents. Passage 2. Do not turn to either left or right before giving a signal. Do not cross until the road is clear. Before crossing the road, look to your right once again. If the road is clear, cross it quickly but carefully while crossing the road. Go straight. Do not cross it at any angle. Do not turn while crossing. Walk fast but calmly. Watch out for cars or vehicle. In big cities, you must have seen black or white strip across the road. They are called zebra crossing. If there is one always used to go across the road, it is safe to walk on it. Choose the correct answer. Which side of ours should we keep while walking on road? Right side, left side, both the side, yeah, for inside. Option is number B. That is left side. While crossing the road safely, we should go straight, run fast, go carelessly, go at an angle. Option number A. Go straight. What should we do before turning to left or to right of the road? We should give a signal before turning to left or right on the road. What are these zebra crossing on the road? Zebra crossing are meant to pedestrian to use to cross the road safely. How should we cross the road clearly? We should cross it quickly but carefully. What should we watch out while crossing the road? We should watch our cars and other vehicles while crossing a road. What is a zebra crossing? It is a piece of a road marked while black with black and white strips where the people on footed can cross the road safely. Passage number 3. You must go by traffic lights. Red light means stop, yellow light means ready to move or stop, move. Green light means move ahead. It is safer to move when the traffic light turns green. If you ignore the traffic light, you can be punished. While driving or waiting at a traffic light, do not blow horn unnecessarily. It disturbs others and cause noise pollution. If you are driving a motor vehicle, drive it at a reasonable speed. Uncontrollable speed is dangerous and can cause accident. Always wear a helmet if you are driving or riding motorcycle on scooter. Do not overtake any vehicle from its left side. Give signal to the driver and overtake from the right when the road is clear. Choose the correct answer. When the traffic light is red, it means we should move ahead. Be ready to move. Stop. Be ready to stop. When traffic light is red, we should stop. Number C. We should overtake a vehicle from its right side, left side, front side, any side. Option number A, right side. When can we be punished? We can be punished if we ignore the traffic signals. Why shouldn't we blow horn unnecessarily on the road? Blow horn disturbs other, can cause noise pollution, so we should avoid it. What should we wear on head while driving a motorcycle? We should wear helmet while driving a motorcycle. What should we do before overtaking a vehicle on the road? We should give signals to the driver and overtake from right side when the road is clear. Why should we drive a motorcycle at a reasonable speed? It is safe to drive a motorcycle at a reasonable speed. Uncontrollable speed is dangerous and can cause accident. Passage 4. You can see the traffic policemen at crossroad to give signal to control traffic. Follow their signals without making a mistake. Be more careful in driving when it is raining. Roads become wet and slippery. Fast motor vehicles take longer to stop. People often rush carelessly because they don't want to get wet. Sometimes they hold umbrellas also while driving. Chances of accidents are very high on such occasion. If you have to board a bus, don't try to get it until the passenger have got off. Do not do not get off the bus until it is stopped. After you have got off the bus, do not try to cross the road until the bus has moved off. Many people get hit by other vehicles while they step out onto the road by bus. Choose the correct answer. Who gives signals to control traffic on the crossroad? A car, a car driver, bike driver, traffic policeman, या फिर a bus passenger. It is option number C, a traffic policeman. The chances of accident are very high when it's raining. People rush carelessly. People hold umbrellas while driving. All of these. Option number D, all of these. What happens to the road when it rains? Road becomes slippery, and when it rains, road slippery हो जाते हैं. What should we wait for it to get into the bus? We should wait outside until the passenger have got off. What shouldn't we do to get off on the moving bus? We shouldn't get off a moving bus until it is stopped. Why do many people get hit when they step out the bus? It happens because they do not care about other vehicles coming and try to cross the road in a hurry. Which vehicle take a longer to stop? Fast motor vehicles take a longer to stop. Passage 5. Do not throw banana skins, pieces or broken glasses or blades on the road. They may cause injury to the pedestrian and damage vehicle tires. Do not ever use mobile phones while you are driving. Better to stop aside to use it safely. You can thus avoid accident. Do not stand in the middle of the road to talk to someone. Do not park your vehicle at any place. Park it at the right place. Do not burn the firecrackers on the road, nor throw them on the roads after burning them. All of us should have a keen sense of road safety. It is a quality that we should have to call educated, civilized, and cultured. Choose the correct answer. The piece of dash may cause damage to vehicle tires. Broken glass, paper, cloths, or rubber. Option number A, broken glass. We should park our vehicle middle of the road, right place, no parking zone, या फिर anywhere. Option number B, at right place. What should we do if we use a mobile phone while driving? We should stop the vehicle aside and use the mobile phone safely. When can we be called educated and cultured? We can be called educated and cultured when we have a keen sense of road safety. Why shouldn't we throw burning crackers on the road? We shouldn't throw burning crackers on the road because it can cause accidents. What may cause injuries to pedestrian on the road? The banana skins, pieces of broken glasses or blades may cause injury to pedestrian on the road. Why shouldn't we stand in the middle of the road and talk to someone? Our other vehicle may hit us if we stand in the middle of the road and talk to someone. Thank you.